Kukiland's Resurgence, in annals of time, a saga grand of an indomitable people in a hallowed land. From 1917 to 1919, the Kuki struggle, valiant and keen. Through historical mists, they ascended to combat in the Anglo-Kuki War, righteousness in their habitat. Against oppressors, with valor they stood, defending their hills, their sanctified wood. Kuki Independence Hills, lofty and high, kissing the heavens where eagles fly. Each peak a testament to their indomitable will. Each valley resounds with their spirits still. In every heart traditions deeply embed, tales of forebears perpetually retread. The Kuki love, a connection profound, customs they preserve, in reverence bound. From dances resplendent to ballads of yore, their customs are treasures, forevermore. Festivals of harvest, jubilation and cheer, intertwining them together year after year. O Kukiland, a paradise sublime, where rivers in argent threads intertwine. Regal fauna roam the verdant plains, in sylvan glades where serenity reigns. Mountains ascend, like sentinels true, under skies splashed in every hue. Each dawn a covenant, each dusk a reprieve. In Kukiland, nature's heart does cleave, their love for the land an ageless song. In Kukiland's embrace they belong. With every breath and every stride, their ardour for Kukiland is their pride. One day the shackles of oppression will fracture, and Kukiland will stir and enrapture. From the yoke of alien dominion they'll soar in freedom's radiance forevermore. The dream of liberty, perpetually alight, guides them through the Stygian night. Maytai's oppression they'll dispel away, for freedom's dawn they'll welcome one day. In unity and fortitude their future lies, with hope eternal they'll graze the skies. Kukiland in splendour will stand, a beacon of tranquility, in a liberated land. Through rivers, mountains, and forests green, the beauty of Kukiland will be seen, and the Kuki spirit, unrestrained and free, will soar like the eagle over land and sea. So, let the cosmos hear their hymn of struggle, love, and rights long been dim. For Kukiland's splendour and the Kuki's plight, one day freedom will blaze in resplendent light. In every heart the vision will thrive, and to Kukiland their essence will strive. For one day, in liberty's embrace, Kukiland will find its rightful place.